We will move forward, and then we will share. I will share recording lecture through YouTube link. Okay. Now there is a okay. Now I will tell you about the uh, speak cells. Okay. There is speak cells if you're working with some tables. If you want to that somebody speaks me, and I will just write the things. So then there is an option available in so what you will do, there is option, uh, click over there. There is a bottom down position. You can click over there. Then you will go to more commands. Okay. Then there is a over top there is written popular command. So here you can select all commands. It will take some few seconds to take the position of all commands. Now all commands appear. You can press S and keep on pressing S. So it will take you okay, there is a command speak cell. Just you will click over it and add. So I have already selected this command. Then this command will appear over there. So there are also a large number of commands which may be added on this customized toolbar. But for the time being, you have to add. And in my computer, these options are not available. But in your computer, speak cell from column and speak cell from row. These two commands will also be available. You can add these commands by just clicking and add that. So this will go from your left uh, window to right window, and then you will press OK. And now just I select categories, and then now I select speak cell.
Category.
You can
Units.
see
Sales/unit. Revenue. Copy. 12. 50. 600.
okay.
345. 40. 13,800. Choose. 600.
Okay, now I have skipped this command. You can do it, and you can use it while you are doing some in office work. Okay. Uh, Now I will teach you some other commands which are available in Excel. And if you select categories and then Control A, then the all area where there is a text is available will be selected. So if you want to place comma over like 30,800, so what you will do, Control right, Control down arrows, then the area where their cell is available, and you will click over there, comma, then the comma will be placed with with the digits. But if you remove the double zero, then you will press this arrow. This will reduce the number of arrow zeros, and this will increase the number of zeros after point. So what I did, I just selected the entire area. So I will control Z, control Z. There is no common place uh, in these values. Now I just click or comma, and then you have to remove the zero. But in Excel there is a very single command for all this formatting. So in Excel, you have to work smartly and you have to save your time. So what I will do, I will simply select this data and I will select, I will use the shortcut key Alt H J. Okay, then this window will open and you can select this comma and 0. So automatically it will change by a single command. So previously I have did this task by 3 steps. Now I can do this. I can do this task by a very single step. Now I will tell you how to consolidate the data. I will just remove. I have already prepared. Okay, there is a data which is written from my left side, and now I want to give a summary over there. So what I will do, I will use the command. So before going further, I would like to tell you this. For example, I have put formula over there equal to B2 multiplied by C2. When I drag the formula, for example, I drag the formula and you can see in the next, very next row, there is formula B3 and C3. Similarly, B4, C4, and similarly B5, C5. So in each next rows, the column is also changed and the row is also changed. So if you want to constant column or rows, then you have to place dollar sign after this alphabetic rows or column. For example, if I there is B2 and if I place F4, okay. So if I place remove dollar before two, but keep dollar before B, so the B will remain constant. For example, I have placed dollar sign before B2, then slash C2. Now I will drag it. You can see there is B2 and next okay, you can see that in the next column when I place the dollar sign with B and to the next column will not change. So it might possible, and if you desire that you want to did not change the cell, then you can place dollar sign before rows or column. Here dollar sign is placed before B and dollar sign is also before row 2. So when I drag towards the bottom, then the row and column both will not change. But I did not place any dollar sign before C2. So when I drag it, you can see that the C2 and next column it changes. Okay, C2, then C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, and the rest of the column, the B3 also change because I have just placed B2 in first column in first row. So if you want to construct some rows or column, then you have to place dollar sign. So that's why I have tell you about that. Now I will put formula. If I want to summary over there, then I will do what I will do. I will place equal to sum f, and what I will do range. The range of my area is from I will just click over there, shift control and down arrow. Then the area of, because my range is constant, because for each category I have to look over in the same range, so I will constant the whole range. So what the shortcut key, I will just press F4. So the all range A2 to A13 rows and columns are constant. Then I will press comma, and then there is a syntax before the formula which show this criteria. So the criteria is written over there, coffee to ice cream. And then again my criteria is constant, because my specific criteria which I want is from G2 to G5. So I again constant the whole selection from G2 to G5. Then I will again press dollar sign. So it's behave like, for example, once you place dollars F4, uh, okay, you can see first I press F4, it will place dollar sign with both columns and rows. Then again I press dollar sign, then the system will the MS Excel will remove dollar from the column but place it before the rows. And then if I again third time press rows, then it will remove dollar sign from the rows, but it keep on before the column. And when I fourth time press the it will totally remove. So I have to play, I need constant from G to G5. So I press F4, and now I will press enter. If there is, I think, some problem, equal to sum F range, then F4 comma criteria range. This is F4 comma and sum range. Okay. Similarly, I put the formula over there, and drag it. So it takes me 3 to 5 times to complete this task. So if I want to complete this task with a very single command, I will just click over there. Then I will go data. And then I will press data. I have to, then I will press data. And there is command consolidate. Okay, first I will remove, already I have